Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to take you along with me for kind of like a study type day. I'm preparing for my comprehensive exam, which is tomorrow. So I've already submitted my proposal a little while ago and I've been working on my presentation. I did a practice one last week for the lab and I've been making some edits. So I have 2 more graphs to update for my PowerPoint slides. And then I'm going to just rehearse it. I have a bunch of like potential questions and I'm just going to consolidate them all into like one list so that I can make sure I can answer all of those. Obviously the examiners can come up with like any other questions they choose to, but this will give like a good practice or foundation, I guess. Okay, so I guess this weekend George and I like scrubbed the walls. We did like a deep like spring clean. I haven't done it for my room yet or the office, but we did like kind of all the common spaces and stuff like that. And we tried a new coffee shop. I'll put in a couple photos here. And so yeah, so I feel like I was kind of like low-key stress cleaning, but also just like I needed to do something because I couldn't just spend the entire time going over my like presentation and stuff. So today is like my last little bit of prep. Tonight I'm going to do another practice presentation for a couple of my friends. And yeah, tomorrow I will take you along with me, but I don't know how much I'll be able to film. Definitely not during the exam, but like depending on how stressed I am leading up to it, I'll try to do some like filming before and after. But yeah, also another student in our lab, I'm sorry the lighting keeps changing, we're just gonna deal with it. So another student in our lab actually has his defense tomorrow afternoon. As long as like my exam goes well, I'll go to the defense in the afternoon. I'm also going to make some brownies today to bring tomorrow, and then I'm gonna pick up some like coffee, just because the conferencey room thing that we're in doesn't have like the kitchenette attached to it. So I'm just gonna bring like a little carafe of coffee for people. And yeah, so those are the updates at the moment. I did some tidying up this morning, again, just to feel kind of like productive and energized and stuff. And it's nice and sunny today, but I'm gonna go sit down, finish my 2 graphs, make the list of questions, and then just kind of practice going through it. So let's go do that. So also this weekend, I kind of did like an everything shower and I self-tanned because I figured that would help me feel confident and put together. And then I've just decided to do like my wavy hair because I feel like it'll be good. So yeah, those are the updates. Now let's go do our stuff. Okay, so I finished all the graphs in my presentation, so now all of that is good to go. Hopefully I made all the edits that needed to be done, and hopefully I didn't miss anything. Right now I'm just kind of compiling all of the, well, not graphs, what are they called? Like other figures and stuff that I had in my thesis proposal, and anything that I want like a separate copy, or like I'm gonna print these all out so that they can be on the table during my presentation and like my exam, so that my evaluation committee can refer to them, because normally the rooms have like the projectors with like the screen, like the pull down screen, but this room has like a TV, so I'm not sure how well some of the stuff's gonna be conveyed. So I just want to have like a physical copy so that they can actually see and like look up closely with it, because yeah. Anyway, so I'm compiling all of that so that I can print it. And I've also been working on my list of questions. So I added all the ones that people have either asked me in my practice presentations last week, or anything else that has like come up, or things that I'm like, oh, maybe I should brush up on. So yeah, that is the current update. I'm going to go make some lunch and drink a lot of water because I'm starting to get a headache. I did put on my like blue light glasses. I don't know if that's part of it. It's really sunny today, which is normally really good, but I feel like I'm squinting a lot, so I think that's like adding to my headache. So I pulled the curtains across behind my desk so I can still have like the sun at the side, but I'm not like squinting to see my screen. While I wait for my lunch to be ready, I think I'll start the brownies, at least have like the batter and everything ready, and then I can throw them in and then just take them out when the time's up. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so I've printed everything I needed and I put it in a binder. I did print my entire proposal. I know I can go through it on my computer, but I just figured if I want to make like notes or something, it's easier to quickly refer to this, especially like tomorrow morning, like right beforehand. And then I also printed all of my flowcharts and diagrams. So I have those ready to go, and then I can just pop them out of the binder, put them on the table before my presentation, and that will be good. I've been reading through my proposal, making any notes of things that I want to look further into, and then also pulling out any possible questions that I can think of, and then just making sure that I have a solid understanding of every aspect that I can possibly do. So yeah, I'm on page 12 of 50, but there's quite a few diagrams and tables and stuff that I don't need to like in detail sift through. But I'm thinking of going to make a coffee or a tea, haven't decided yet, some sort of caffeine. Okay, so quick update. I know the lighting is kind of ridiculous, but it is what it is. So I practiced my presentation again for a couple of my friends, and then they spent a good like hour and a half asking like potential questions and stuff that I've come up with, but also they also had like some questions, and so I feel pretty good about that. So yeah. Right now, I don't feel stressed, which kind of stresses me a little bit, but I don't feel like that stressed or nervous for it. But I'm sure tomorrow I'll be nervous going into it. I plan on waking up like kind of early so that I give myself like ample time to like prepare and like get to campus and everything like that. And I'm gonna stop and grab like a carafe of coffee, so make sure you have time for all of that. I also practiced my presentation for my boyfriend earlier, and he also asked me some questions, so I've run through it a couple times now in front of different people, so I think that definitely helped. It's actually only like just after 10, and I'm gonna go get ready for bed, and I think I'm gonna read. There's one thing that I want to double check before tomorrow, but then after that I'm gonna read non-school related books. So yeah, again, apologies on horrendous lighting. It is what it is. I'm going to bed, so good night. Okay, so it's my day of my exam and I'm ready to head out the door. Had a few minor mishaps this morning, including spilling mascara on my shirt, so I had to change. I tried to like get the mascara stain out because I really wanted to wear that shirt, but it wouldn't work. It was not coming, so we're now wearing this outfit. Hopefully it's fine. I was trying to call my mom, but she was busy, so my dad helped me pick out an outfit, which was really sweet. Yeah, I made breakfast. I'm gonna go. I looked on the app and it says that Starbucks doesn't have any of the like coffee crafts, so I'm really hoping that I can just stop by and it's just like not working on the app or something. Fingers crossed, good vibes. Yes, need all the positive energy. Hopefully they have it. If not, it is what it is. But I'm really hoping they have it. It would just be nice to have. So I was gonna make a coffee. Let's make a coffee extremely quick. Okay, so I've got my whiteboard and my coffee and everything else is in my backpack. So yeah, we are off. Guess who's a PhD candidate? So I did pass my comms, which is amazing, and then this afternoon another student in our lab had his PhD defense, so I did stay for that. But now I am very hungry and I am very sweaty and I want to get into something more comfortable, so I'm gonna go change and just enjoy the night. But thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for coming along with me on this wild ride. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day, and I will talk to you all in the next video, so bye.